y'all, so I just got out the tub and I look a mess because I didn't take my makeup out last night, so I look a mess, but we're about to get this together.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me.
Hey y'all, I'm out the tub. I'm not naked anymore, but the boys are by my mom's house, so that's cool, even though I miss them. But I'm about to clean up like I always gotta do. I'm about to clean up. I want to go make groceries, so I'm gonna go make groceries. I don't know if I want to go to a Kroger, Target, or Walmart. I'm gonna go to Walmart, but I want to go to Kroger. Then I want to go to Target. I don't know, so I'll probably just go to Walmart. But yeah, I'm about to put me on some music.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas. A moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful.
I cleaned up. I gotta put that toy up, but everything is clean. Well, this is my favorite candle for fall. Pumpkin spice. And that's weird because I don't even like pumpkin pie, pumpkin spice, anything like edible. Yeah. I'm gonna turn these lights off. I got all these lights on. I must be scared of the dark. But I don't think I'm gonna go to the store today because I have an excuse.
Again. A fucking again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit. Same old
I honestly want to go to the store because I look cute. And I might find me somebody at the store. But no. I'm gonna just wait out until tomorrow. No, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go to the store. Okay, let me think, and then we'll see what I'm gonna do. Okay, y'all, I'm in the store. I should have brought my stand because I can't use this. But yeah, I came to Walmart. This is stuff that I really need. I mean, I need to get a lot of stuff because my fridge is literally empty. So I got my mint garlic, and then I got some garlic. Like those right there are like really good in my tacos. So. And then I need to get some potatoes for my seafood boils. These red potatoes and these yellow potatoes. Boom. What else do I need from over here? Oh yeah, some sweet onions. But last time I got this, but I didn't use all of them. I think I'm gonna still get those. I don't want them to go bad, but I'm gonna get one that has like. Okay, I think I can use all of those. Let me give me a bag to put the stuff in, like. Fiji apples are the best. Are the best apples. Are you with your mom? I think that's all I need in the produce aisle. But I'm going to get these vanilla chais because they're pretty good. And Chance like them too. And they go pretty fast. Or should I get the... No, I'm not gonna get that one. But yeah. And they don't have they have the ones at Kroger. I used to get the juices. No, here they go. But it look like they... Oh, I'm gonna get this one. I need some energy, baby. Oh, I'm gonna get these. Try these out. Must be good because they only have 2. Raspberry lemonade. back from Walmart, and if you can hear, the boys are back as well. So I'm about to put this stuff up. I didn't do a lot of vlogging in the store because it's kind of awkward vlogging in the store, and I really don't know how to vlog in a store. Therefore, but you can see me you can see me put up everything. So hopefully I have enough storage to film this.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with.
So y'all, I'm about to go take a bath because my stomach is killing me. And then probably eat something. I want to sign off here. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.